In the 3D modeling section, we took a look at section analysis. And in this lecture, I just want to show you that the same feature is also available to us when we're making assemblies. So to do this, we come under the inspect, we'll hit the drop down there, we'll come down to section analysis. And then just like in the modeling section, we need to select a plane or a face. So we could go to this face, for example, or we could go with the default plane here or this face. I'm going to select this face in this case. We've got some parameters we can adjust, but we can also adjust them manually as well. So if I bring this into, let's just say halfway, and we just wanted to check the clearances and check the mating parts, everything there looks good. And it's quite interesting to see, if we look at the front view, that we can see here the profile that we drew in order to revolve the pulley wheel. And also the same can be applied as well for the pin here. If we sort of split that in half there, that's the profile we sketched out. Now we see it being 3D modeled. So from a section analysis, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the joints that we applied. That's looking good. Then go back to the home view. And again, to leave the section view, come under to our browser and under the new folder, analysis, you can hit the drop down. And there, I've already got a section in there, but the one we just applied is section 2. And we can hide it like so, or we can hide all of the analysis like that. If we want to edit the section view, we can just simply right click on it under the analysis folder. We can select edit, and then we can adjust any of the angles and so. And also move it as well like that. So exactly the same as 3D modeling. And yeah, let's hide that section view then. So just a quick tip for this lecture. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next lecture.